Hello, myself Ganesh. Today I will discuss about profile to profile. Different version of profiles is to be federated or not. We can verify. Okay, clear. CD. This is WebSphere, IBM WebSphere app server. Okay, profiles and DMGR under bin dot slash version info dot sh. This is 9051 is the DMGR profile version. I will write in the notepad clearly. Different version of profiles is federated or not. Federated is working or not. Suppose I have installed the VAS version 8.5 and version 9.0 as well as this is the mount point IBM WebSphere app server profiles under DMGR01 under the bin. Run the following command dot slash version info dot sh. This is 9 version. This is the 9 version. Now application server profiles are version 8.5.5.21 version. Okay, I will show you PWD. This is the mount point. I will switch another mount point. App server under that profiles under that bin. I will show you run the command version info.sh. This is 84521. This is the mount point. This is 85521 mount point. Okay. I will create the profiles. I will create the profiles by using manage profiles.sh command. Manage profiles.sh hyphen create hyphen profile name appsrv03 hyphen profile path slash opt IBM WebSphere app server under that profiles appsrv03. This is the profiles creation hyphen template path slash opt IBM WebSphere app server profile templates default template hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell 3 hyphen node name appsrv underscore node 03. Okay, hyphen starting port 190.324.34 hyphen server type application server profile hyphen server name test underscore server. This is the command to create the profiles in VAS 8.5 or VAS 9. Same command is applicable VAS 8.5 and VAS 9. I am creating the profiles in version 8.5.5.21 mount point that is related to this mount point, OPT mount point. Okay, and this is the command to create the profiles. Okay. Okay, like this, you can execute the command. Now, profiles generally we will create in two ways. Sorry, in three ways. One is GUI mode. One is graphical user interface mode. Third one is command line. That is this one. This is the command line. For example, this is the command line. For example, this is the command to execute the command. Third one is by using the scripts, or that is Python or Python or shell scripts to execute the profiles in these ways. See, app server is already in use. So I will delete app server dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen delete hyphen profile name. I tested purpose. I will use. Yesterday I have tested the profiles. Server is running dot slash stop server dot sh a server dot sh test underscore server hyphen profile name appsrv03. Otherwise we can execute the script. I will show you. HTTPS 160.250.146.164.9043 slash IBM slash console. This is the WebSphere administrator console. Config admin. Now go to system administrations. Go to nodes or node agent. Okay. node agent. Node agent is must also be active. See, and this is select this and remove the node from the console. This is defederate the node config admin. This is the remove the node from the console. This is the way to process to remove the node from the front end. Back end also same. After remove the node, we can delete the server from the console. Okay, now view availability nodes. See, node is not there. Go to the servers. You can delete from the server itself. Server also deleted. Okay. Now you can now PWD. Now you can use delete the profiles in the manner way. Now DMJAR is separate and app server is separate. Now we are deleting the profiles in OPT mount point. This is way to delete the profiles. After that, rm space rf dot slash logs manage profiles app server 3. You can underscore create profiles. I can execute like this. Delete the profiles like this. You can execute profiles under that app server 3 like this. You can execute. Okay. Now you can execute the profiles. Now you can create the profiles by using the normal command. The profile is no longer exist. So I have deleted backend manage profiles.sh command to execute the profiles. Create, delete profile path, template path, different profiles. Federation also working fine. Now I have created the profiles. Okay. This is I have created the profiles. I have created the profiles. Now I will go to the profiles bin, cd profiles, app server 3 under bin dot slash yard node dot sh dmgr soap current dmgr IP address or host name and soap connector port number. There are so federation will be working on two ways. One is command level. Another one is admin console level. Admin console level you can federate. If you will go for admin console must and should be server is running server is running. See, config admin. This is different way of profiles creation. One is DMJ profile is 9051. Okay, and application server is 85521. Must and should be server is federation is applicable. This is the evidence. Front end is back end is working. Front end is working or not. We can verify. I will show you front end is working or not. This is my DMJ profile is 9051. Okay. My application server profiles are 85521. See, it's working fine. No issues. No issues. My profile, but application server profiles are 9051 and a DMJAR is lower version. In this case, federation is not possible as per IBM standards. As per IBM standards, as per IBM standards, DMJAR is lower version, that is 85521 assume, and application server profiles are higher version. In this case federation is not possible. Federation is not possible as per IBM guidelines. Okay, now I am creating another profiles. I will create another profiles. Name it as app server profile. I will create another profiles. App server 4. And this federation I will do at the front end level. Front end means console level. I am doing this. Okay. If any doubts, ask me in the chat. or I will provide the meeting link. I will provide the meeting link. You can ask me in the meeting itself. This is the meeting link. Okay, now in this federation, now go to CD profiles, CD app server 4, CD bin, CD bin. Now every profile have its own console before federation, before federation, after federation, after federation, after federation, both consoles will be merged, merged, and both consoles are merged and to form a single console, that is DMGR console, that is DMGR console. Okay. Now dot slash start server dot sh test underscore server. But front end purpose must and should be server is running. Okay. Now we are logging into the console. Login into the console. Go to system administrations. Go to node agent. Okay. There is no nodes. Okay. Only server 3 is there. There is no 4, and go to nodes. Go to app server and add node. Add means we have add application server node to the DMGR cell, and here we can use host name of the DMGR, and SOAP connector port is application server SOAP connector port number. We have this is SOAP connector port number, and we have to use DMGR password, and a username must and should be given in this. This is way to create or federate the node from DMGR or backend by using add node.sh commands or in different version. Any doubts? Please ask me in the chat, live chat. This is app server node 4. Okay. Go to servers. See, this is app server 4. Start. Server started. Now, now we can federate. Now I am planning to delete. Go to nodes. Okay, everything is fine. Now select both and remove the node and only one action. And the back end also we can remove this. Remove node.sh. This is way to remove the node from the backend. Front end and back end both are same. Front end server is active. Back end there is no server is active for back end. Okay, server is not available. Server 3. Now I will remove server 4 from back end. It will asking password. Password is confidential. We cannot share password. This is the remove the node from the backend. Now You can verify from the console itself. There is no app server 4 is there. See, app server 1, 2 is there. All cluster are removed. Node agent, only 2 is there. Nodes, only 2 is there. Okay. Config cells. Now DMGR cell is not there. See, app server 4 cell. Okay. Like this, it's profile creation like this. Okay. If you want to remove or if you want to federate. Dot slash manage profile dot sh hyphen delete hyphen profile name appsrv03 hyphen delete hyphen profile name. Now we can remove the profiles. RM space RF logs manage profiles. Now like this. Okay, like this you can remove. Don't use RM space RF at all times. Be careful by using this. CD profiles. See, two profiles. Okay. Okay. This is way to create the profiles using different version and federate them into the DMGR. This is the okay. And uh, please share to your friends and family members, those who are learning WebSphere application server. Kindly share to your friends and family members, those who are learning WebSphere application server. This may be helpful. I am stop the sharing.